Ooh, aha!
Yeah!
Only fishtail?
Tralalero, tralala.
I was born to swim! Okay, go ahead!
Yeah!
A cat? Really?
But I have a tail too.
Alright, it's fishtail too! You pass!
Ballerina cappuccina.
I also want to swim.
No tail, no swim, no entry!
What? Oh no!
Get out now!
Oh, ballerina cappuccina. Do you want to be a mermaid? I have a potion. I'm ready. Wow! She became a mermaid. Can she entry?
Sure! Mermaids are VIP guests!
Good. Let's come with me. Oh, great! Wow! It's time to make up. I use a setting powder to keep my makeup in place all day. It'll smooth out all the uneven spots and even the tones. What could be better? And an eyebrow pencil. I love this shade. Lipstick, the color of a starfish. Can't go without some gloss. Now the eyeshadow. I want to look like the waves. Let's use eyeliner for the wings. Beautiful shades of blue. Wow, these fake lashes are so long and so pretty. All right, a little mermaid blush won't hurt. Ta-da! The sea always hides treasures. Pearls. A few of highlighter. Blend it all out with a brush. No one can compete with beauty like this. Oh my gosh, how beautiful! Look like a princess. Time to pick the most important thing, the outfit. Wow, pretty and such a soft color. I'm absolutely in love with how this set makes me feel.
Thank you!
Cappuccino assassino. Tralalero, tralala. Liri-la-li-la. Okay, let's go. Liri-la-li-la.
6666. 6666. 3333. 4444.
Aha.
4444. 3333.
Oh no!
3333.
1111.
6666. 6666.
5555.
4444.
5555. 1111.
Woo, yeah.
2222. 2222. 3333.
Oh, yes.